I'm giving a demo on Git. So Git is a version control system that tracks changes in files and allow multiple developers to collaborate and helps to manage different versions of a project efficiently. So multiple when multiple developers work with the same project for different features. So 10 members and 5 features. So for we have 10 features, 10 members and 5 features. So I'm working on one features. So on remaining working on 4 features. So all the 5 peoples change to so all the 5 features change to be done in on project. So all the 10 devs have to update same project at the same time throughout the sprint. So we should not delete each other code. So whatever we are doing, dev doing is what, so everything will be tracked. So this is a version control tool. So concept of branches. So entire code that you write will be maintained in cloud for Git project, Git related project. So to host Git project, so cloud providers Bitbucket, GitHub and GitLab. So this is a Git version control and cloud providers, they maintain Git project repo repository and so demo is a R, R dem repo in Bitbucket. So this is a repo demo app in Bitbucket. So Git all your code should be in cloud Bitbucket. So Spring Boot app repo in Bitbucket. So this is a master or main branch, and this is a integration branch. This is a integration branch. This is features branch. So when we start new development, so first we need to identify the repository where you have to do code modification. So so create a features branch from integration branch. So this features branch is specific for developer, so they work on these features, and whatever we do features branch, every developer will create this own features branch. So developer this developer suppose, so this is the repo app Bitbucket. First, and this is a something we code, we write a code here. My class, so return method 1. So when we go Bitbucket, where is master main branch and where have code, then we where the code, then we go to main to integration branch. So integration branch and integrates, and we cut to the integration branch to features branch. So when developers work on when so every developer, these two dev will create their own features branch. So features branch. So whatever code is here, will be in this. So whatever they code, these a copied code. So when in first we need to create a bit bucket account. First we need to create account. So I already created a account in Bitbucket. So keep it private. So I kept private and create repo. So these so these my repo. This my repo, and these my rep. This is my repo. So I already created repo. So this is so this code have so this repo will not have any code. This is empty code. So when we go branches, so here is main branches. So we can create branches. So when we go branches, so all branches, so I already created branches. So you can create branches. So this is a main branches. So we can go integration branches. This is main, and we can go integration branches, create. Okay, this is already exists. So projects, I already created branches where integration branches and features in initial branches when I created. So in initial features branches where in features branches is my local code. So I already so any features you want to do should happen in on features. So create branches means main integration features. In features branches add your spring branches. So how to add our spring code in feature branches? So feature branch currently in Bitbucket cloud. So create a local signing folder. So you so so my I created features branches already in Bitbucket. So before doing this, I already made a signing folder. So how to add a signing folder? So using clone. So using clone, we can add a signing folder and create a certain command is, and there is a certain command. So to work with Git and to work with Git, there is a multiple option. So there is a client line interface and graphical user interface where or graphical user interface where you have to download it a graphical user interface like source tree, and you have to download this, and you have to type right credential what your Bitbucket have. So first when we go, so when we, okay, Bitbucket, so we can see I already downloaded and I already, so this is the initial setup features one. So so where my status, so I already make signing folder, and how to own, how to add this. So before doing this, we make to signing folder and we download a source tree where you have to type credential and add to clone, and using clone, and we will cloning it, then certain command will be there. So we can see I already, so here my project, so this is so anything is added this folder which is not your cloud location, the source tree give you differences, so like this. So this is a green color, everything is newly written code which is not cloud yearly. So git is modified happen, git is showing, so this is a orange color, so git is, this is showing orange color, git is modifying happening, so git is showing orange color, it means this is operation is git add operation. So when we go branch file status, we can stage all, so features history, so here is a history, I already done git add operation. So as we know कि in source tree there is a git add, git push and git commit. So I already done git add operation, so I already done git commit. So we can see this is a commit, this is the initial draft of demo, whatever we coded in week 1, week 2 demo is be committed. So this is a add git commit, so it, when we commit it, keep in our local machine, not in the cloud, not in the Bitbucket. So whenever we commit something, it only show in source tree, not in Bitbucket. So when we do git push, so I already did it, so where we can, I can show you, wait a minute. So I did push operations, so we can see, so this is a git commit, and we can go source tree, so we can so these two file I push push I did git push operation in, so this file can go in Bitbucket. So I did a push operation, and I also did commit in, and I also did commit operation. So you can see this is a commit operation. Now after that I did push operation. So push operation, we can see, we can, here we can see push operation now. Okay, so this, so I can commit this. So we can see this is a project, we do another commit. So we can push it. So we can go in Bitbucket. So we can see these files are showing in Bitbucket. So we did push operation, git push operation. So dev are whenever development, whenever dev perform in features branch. So we can say, so whatever code is here, it will be copied is separate branch, like this, like this, and like this. So uh, so we can see, we can if we make any changes in local machine, so if we changes in local machine, so we can easily identify the differentiate. So source tree tell you difference. So we also can move only this file which want to cloud in the Bitbucket, and we can discard and changes which we did easily. So features branch is specific to the developer for these features, then you were working in. So as the sprint as the sprint progress, so code of individually developer should be combined together to give to next stage of sprint.